Coming to the fourth bit, places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So let us work out the problem. So in this problem, we are required to find the speeds of the two cars. So let the speed of the car that is starting from A, speed of the car A is equal to x kilometers per hour, and speed of the car that is starting from place B, that is speed of the car B is equal to y kilometer per hour. So in this problem we are given two cases. One is the cars travel in the same direction, and the another one is the cars travel towards each other. So first let us see the case 1, that is first case, cars travel in same direction. So according to the given problem, places A and B are separated by a distance of 100 kilometers, and car A and car B are traveling in the same direction. Both of them meet at a common point C after 5 hours. So let us calculate the distance traveled by car A. Distance traveled by car A is equal to, we know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. We have assumed that the car A speed is x kilometers and the time taken is 5 hours. So we will be getting distance traveled as 5x kilometers, and also distance traveled by car B is equal to same speed multiplied by time. The speed of the car B is y kilometers per hour and the time taken is 5 hours. So we will be getting this as 5y kilometers. Now we can say that the distance traveled by the car A is nothing but AC. We got AC as 5x kilometers, and the distance traveled by car B is nothing but BC. Therefore we can write BC is equal to 5y kilometers. So by looking at the figure, we can write AB plus BC is equal to AC. That is AB plus BC is equal to AC. Clearly the distance of AB is nothing but 100 kilometers. So in place of AB I can write 100, and in place of BC we can write 5y, and in AC can be written as 5x. So this is 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. So 5 can be taken as common, and here if we take 5 we will get 20. So the linear equation becomes x minus y is equal to 20. Name this equation as equation number 1. Now let us see the second case, which is nothing but the cars travel towards each other. So when they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Car A is starting from the point A and car B is starting from the point B. After 1 hour, they meet at a common point D. So let us calculate the speed traveled by them. So we have assumed that car A speed is x kilometer per hour and car B speed is y kilometer per hour. So the distance traveled by car A is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed is x kilometers per hour and the time taken is 1 hour. So this becomes x kilometers, and the distance traveled by car B is speed multiplied by time. Its speed is x kilometers per hour multiplied by the time taken is 1 hour. So this becomes y kilometers. So now AD is nothing but the distance traveled by the car A, which we got as x kilometers, and BD is nothing but the distance traveled by the car B. We got it as y kilometers, and the distance AB is nothing but 100 kilometers. Now we can write AD plus DB is equal to AB. AD is nothing but x kilometers and DB is nothing but y kilometers and AB is nothing but 100. So let this be equation number 2. So we have obtained the two equations, that is x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. Let us solve both of these equations and find the values of x and y. Now let us solve the equations 1 and 2 by cross multiplication method. For that we first draw a following diagram. First we write x, y and 1. Now the coefficients of y must be written, that is minus 1 and 1. Next the constant terms, they can be written as minus 20 and minus 100. And now the coefficients of x 1 and 1, and again the coefficients of y minus 1 and 1. Now we can write x divided by cross multiplication, minus 1 times of minus 100 minus 1 times of minus 20 is equal to y divided by minus 20 times of 1 minus minus 100 times of 1. This is equal to 1 divided by 1 times of 1 minus 1 times of minus 1. This can be written as x divided by 100 plus 20 is equal to y divided by minus 20 plus 100 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Now this becomes x divided by 120 is equal to y divided by 80 is equal to 1 divided by 2. So we can write x by 120 is equal to 1 by 2 and y by 80 is equal to 1 by 2. So by cross multiplication, 2x is equal to 120 and 2y is equal to 80. X can be written as 120 divided by 2 and y can be written as 80 divided by 2. So x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 40. Therefore, the speed of the car A is equal to 60 kilometers per hour and car B is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. So the speeds are 60 kilometers per hour and 40 kilometers per hour respectively.